This wine is so cute. I just love the packaging. So I'm gonna get 2. Even though I don't really drink wine at home, I think it'll just be really cute on the counter. And I got way too many groceries. I definitely should have gotten a cart. Also getting a juice and some things to supplement my smoothies at home. This is the reality of coming home. This is all of the outfits I did for my 30 days of outfits. I still need to put all of it away. This is all my gifting from PR. I'm gonna save all of this cleanup for Sunday because right now, and look at this mess. Right now, I am going to do my nails. I haven't done my nails since New York. So we got our nails set up here. I'm gonna remove my nails first. There's so much like nail deco on it that I need to remove. And the color we're doing is this fun bright red because it's holiday time. So a bright red is very fitting. So we're gonna talk about breakups today. I feel like I have a lot to say, but I don't really know where to start. Okay, I don't know if I can multitask. I'm like, doing this is pretty difficult. Breakup, without a doubt, are extremely tough. And the whole point of this series is what I learned this year about these topics, right? So, like this year, I went through a breakup. I've learned that the way someone kind of sends you off or the last thing somebody presents themselves as is very telling to who they actually are. I think that's also what makes breakups disappointing, right? Where you have this vision or this idea of the person you were with. And one of the most difficult parts about breakups is all the what ifs, right? Like, they changed. What if they were better? What if I understood them more? All the what ifs of the future. And for me, that's the toughest part about breakups, is all the what ifs. And something I learned this year is that just because the relationship didn't work out or become successful, aka like ending up with each other in the end, I guess getting married and being together forever, it doesn't make a relationship any less special. The relationship still held such an importance in my life.
Okay. I'll probably work in bed. And
what can be difficult about this whole series is a lot of the statements are just purely statements, and I don't have that much to say other than just what the statement is. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely had my fair share of breakups, and this year I experienced a breakup that was much different from the ones I've had in the past, and it taught me so much about myself. I feel like I have so much to say that I don't really know what to say. For me, I based like success of a relationship on whether or not we ended up together in the end, which clearly I haven't ended up with anyone in the end so far, right? Just because I'm not married to any of the people I was with doesn't mean that that relationship wasn't successful. There were still successes in the relationship that are not marriage. I'm like walking away with what I've learned from that situation instead of just mustering in my heartbreak. And it kind of goes back to what we were talking about yesterday about how perspective is everything. Of course, I went through the motions and I'm still have moments of grief here and there. I'll see something and it makes me feel sad, but it doesn't consume me and it's like a fleeting feeling. That's grief, and grief kind of comes in waves and it's totally healthy. Like, there's so much richness in my life that I'm not gonna let some guy like determine my happiness, because my happiness comes through within. It's fulfilled by doing things that I love, spending time with people who love me and choose me. Like, I'm not going to sit and sulk about somebody who didn't choose me or didn't show me love and compassion, care and gentleness. Like, letting go is part of life. And it sounds corny, but if you love somebody let them go. It's like the saying of two plants can't grow in the same pot. Sometimes you guys need space to grow on your own, and maybe you can come back together if that's what's meant to be. But yeah, there's definitely a lot to learn about yourself through breakups. I think it's definitely like a blessing in disguise. I think this quote is fantastic. It's, I would rather adjust my life to your absence than adjust my boundaries to accommodate your disrespect. I'm all done. I did red. Just do something classic. I'm really happy with how long my nails have grown because it's my natural nails. Thanks for tuning in. It's time for me to get ready for bed and watch TikToks till I fall asleep. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.